because it didn't feel like a date. We didn't like get snacks and stuff. I don't know what people class as virtual dates, to be honest. I wouldn't class it as virtual date because I think a virtual date is like you get yourself dolled up, have like snacks ready, have questions ready, games ready, and I didn't do that. So yeah.
So I'm not even as active on the apps like I used to be. The major thing I do on the apps now is, just see people I can maybe chat with and spend some time with, just on the phone or maybe via FaceTime or video calls and stuff like that. But apart from that, it has significantly reduced because it's impossible to go for dates now.
Personal and a little less, I'm trying to think of the right word for it. I just know it feels like there's something that's missing, kind of like the human aspect to it. I feel like the app needs to be a little bit more integrated. Maybe like offer a little bit less on like other premium services. I mean, I know the company needs to still make money, but it would be nice to, during these kinds of times, especially how people are needing to meet virtually, if the prices could be lower for their premium services. Clicking next. Please summarize the advice you just talked about in a single sentence. It would be nice.